Assalamu alaikum all of you. Today the topic of our classwork is phonics. Phonic means sounds of letter. Today we study the sound of two letters WH. Study phonics of WH. When these two letters WH join together gives one sound. Let's see how they sound. We know W sounds W and H sounds H. When they join together, they give only W sound. Why? Because H will remain silent. H will not give any sound. W. WH give W sound only. In this slide you can see water starts from W sound, W, and whistle also starts from the same sound, whistle. Both starts from the same sound but the spellings are different. There are some of the words start from WH and gives the sound of W. For example, weed, wheel, whip, whistle and whisker. Now this is the exercise. You can see when WH join with EEL, it is wheel, white, what. I hope you can understand the concept of WH sound. Watch the video also to make your understanding more clear. Thank you.